Anị Ọnịcha.
Hello guys, so today I'm bringing you guys to Anị Ọnịcha. I don't know how many of us know about Anị Ọnịcha. Well, Anị Ọnịcha is the central deity of the Onitsha kingdom. Anị Ọnịcha is situated inside Ose Okwodo market, beside Onitsha main market. It is situated in a very busy area within a market. I don't know how many of us know that most deities in Igbo land are situated beside a very popular market. So I cannot tell why that is the case. I can't say. Could it be that any deity that's beside the market, it makes the market to function more successfully? I don't know, but if you know the answer as to why deities in Igbo land are situated beside the market, most of the deities I can count most of the deities in Igbo land are situated beside a very popular market. So that was how we got here, and we met Nnamdi Wenger, an Onitsha man, and he was very happy to show us around Onitsha and brought us to Anị Ọnịcha. And he told us things we need to know about Anị Ọnịcha. Stay back and watch the interview.
Today, Anị Ọnịcha. Anị Ọnịcha bụ the central deity of Onitsha. Always go on to the more go on. Okay. We're going to put up an aniva. Ever ban in the Bayaba, Nana Cavasio family, land the Eva Cavano. Never one about the Burgaka. Nabatafa, never milli, or like I say about what I was here. So ever, if you go over the yes, about Anị Ọnịcha. That was central deity.
Oh, that's the festivals and made for Anị Ọnịcha.
Back in Anị Ọnịcha. I see on is on your one. Our bad Jigitafu, I was at Anị Ọnịcha, Anị Ọnịcha. I know the lady of whom.
Just like Tata and May of Fala now. Is there any way they pay Anị Ọnịcha homage?
Even when I met for Fala, before Fala. I mean, then after Falazi, I was here as I was here. I was here and back in Anị Ọnịcha.
Ndablo Ọnịcha, and I become Anị Ọnịcha.
Anị Ọnịcha, Alan House, when I wear Alan House on one. Only we only can get the who save and not be Beleka. Anị Ọnịcha accepts everybody. I had their two mothers. Then I have funded as well and you ever phone. But if I'm a get me from your young, I may invite me.
The Bayan and going to ban Okatawuna, Anị Ọnịcha, the central deity. You got on Chanine, Dalono.